Hey guys, how's it going? I decided to do a second video today because I'm seeing a lot of people a little worried about the FBA storage limit changes that comes in July 1st, which is about 2 weeks from now. And I'm gonna leave a link at the page. You can kind of read it on your own, like go through every word if you want. But I'm gonna kind of give my take on it, how it is, and what I think is for, stuff like that, and and here we go. So that's basically it. Let's keep it short. I'm just gonna do this really quick with you, so you can kind of get an idea. I can go through it with you, gonna see how it goes. Okay. All right. So basically, what it's saying is that um, people that can't sell for they can't maintain their seller account very good. That it says seller who maintain an index score of 350 or greater will have unlimited storage for standard size or oversized item. And as you know, so how you can check it is that you go to your Seller Central and you'll see it right here at the right side. I have 493 right now, which is not that great, but I'm still above the limit, so I can restock as much as I want. Okay, so that's that. And let's go back to it. All right. Okay, so for people that don't have 350, then you should start maybe looking into doing better planning and shipping and selling stuff like that. Uh, is basically what happens is that anybody that goes below 350, they will get a limit of how much they can restock, and anything over that will be charged a $10 uh, what is it over storage overage fee per cubic foot. Okay, so that's gonna be a big changer. Like $10 per cubic foot is not a lot. It's like this big. Like so. Basically, I don't know, this big or this big, whichever. Anyways, so the way they adjust it is by quarterly. That's what I can see right here. It says that every quarter they will give you a evaluation of how your seller account is performing. So they can see right here, 3rd May, you get a notification, and then August you get another one, November you get another one. Okay, and then these are the days that they'll send you an alert. These are the last days that you can fix them, and these are the dates that the effective. So basically, in this period of time, you're stuck with that amount, as far as I know, like how much you can restock and stuff like that. Let's go down. Inventory. So we already talked about this inventory storage overage fee, which you have to pay if you fall below 350 in your health, the seller health that we saw the little green bar earlier. Will be $10 per cubic foot. Okay, so I'll let you guys kind of go over this on your own. It's gonna take too long if I go through every single one of them. But here you go. That's what it is. And again, I'll leave the link in the description as well, so you can go check it out. Okay. So you can see right here what is the inventory performance index based off of is how well you drive sales by keeping your item in stock, maintaining healthy inventory, and fix listing problems. So basically, just keep everything smooth and not have any screw ups. But then again, sometimes you run out of stock because the product is selling faster than you can restock it. It happens, but just especially when you're first ordering a batch, like you're testing it, you see how it is, and it shows up. It can happen, but just try not to do too much, and it shouldn't ding you too hard if you don't do it. Okay, and let me see. So these are the guidelines that they judge your score. So strata inventory, excessive inventory, age, stuff like that. And then okay, so they send you a notification if it's 400 or lower. So at the end of every quarter, these limits only affect you at 350 or lower. So if you're above 350, you don't worry about anything. But beyond that, this is every quarter they give you something different. Okay. All right. So it looks like my camera just died, but okay, let's go like this. But we'll finish up here. Don't worry. Okay, the camera died, but I'm still here. Okay, it says most new sellers don't have it in 6 weeks. So if okay, let me see here. You received the same default storage. Will provide additional details on these default storage limits before the new. Okay, so you don't have nothing to worry about as a new seller. You should have more than enough for you to use. Okay, all right. So only professional sellers have index. Okay, individual sellers don't get it. Okay. All right, so that's basically it. I kind of hope so. I'm gonna recap the whole thing in like probably like 10 seconds so you can understand it better. So basically, keep your stock and everything good. Make sure that you restock on time. You fix your inventory. Keep that um, seller health above 350. You'll be golden. You don't have to worry about anything. But if you start going below that, you might want to come back and refer to this and see how they calculate everything and how they how everything will work. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll talk to you next time.